Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine, shine, and wealthy and happy. And my prayers that God make you always happy and give you wealth and health. So welcome back again to my new video. Today our video topic is long-term care insurance in United States. We talk about long-term care insurance in United States. We talk about its definition, about its introduction, about its benefits, about its conclusion, and many more things. Okay, so let's begin our video. Before beginning the video, if anyone is new on my channel, please subscribe my channel with the bell icon for latest updates of my videos. So start the video. Long-term care insurance in United States. First we read about introduction about long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance is a type of insurance that helps pay for the cost of long-term care service such as nursing home care, assisted living, and home health care. Long-term care can be very expensive, and Medicare and other health insurance typically do not cover it. Long-term care insurance can help protect you, assist, and ensure that you receive the care you need. What should consider long-term care insurance? Long-term care insurance is not for everyone. It's a generally good idea for people who are aged 50 or older, in good health, have assets that they want to protect, can afford the premium. How does long-term care insurance work? Long-term care insurance policies typically have a waited period of 7 months before benefit begin. Once the waiting period is over, you will be eligible for benefit if you meet the policy eligibility requirement. These requirements typically include needing help with activities of daily living, ADLs such as bathing, dressing, and eating. Long-term care insurance policy types have a daily monthly benefit amount that will pay for a certain amount of care each day of a month. You may also be able to choose a policy that has a lifetime maximum benefit amount. This is the maximum amount that the policy will pay you care for your lifetime. So we read about introduction. Now we talk about benefit of long-term care insurance. What are the benefits of long-term care insurance? There are several benefits of having long-term care insurance. These benefits include protecting your assets. Long-term care can be very expensive, and many people will have to spend their assets to pay for care if they do not have long-term care insurance. Ensuring that you have received the care you need. Long-term care insurance can help you afford that care you need even if it is not covered by Medicare or other health insurance. Provide peace of mind. Knowing that you have long-term care insurance can give you peace of mind, knowing that you will be able to afford the care you need if you never need it. So we talk about benefit of long-term care insurance. Now we talk about drawback of long-term care insurance. Drawback means that if you purchase a long-term policy from any broker or agent or from any company, you can draw back your policies and you will be and the money you invest in long-term insurance policy that will be returned to you. So we start so we talk about now long-term drawback of long-term care insurance. What are the drawbacks of long-term care insurance? There are also a few drawbacks of long-term care insurance. These drawbacks include the cost. Long-term care insurance can be expensive and the premium may increase over time. The waiting period, you will not be eligible to benefits until the policy waiting period is over. The eligibility requirement, you may be not eligible for the benefit if you did not meet the policy eligibility requirement. How much does long-term care insurance cost? The cost of long-term care insurance varies depending on your age, health, and the policy you choose. However, you can expect to pay several $100 per year for a policy that has a daily benefit amount of $100. So we talk about drawback of long-term care insurance, and then we talk about some major points. Where can I get long-term care insurance? You can get long-term care insurance from a variety of sources including insurance company, financial advisor, online brokers. How can I choose a long-term care policies? Choosing a long-term care insurance policy can be a complex process. It is important to compare policies from different companies to find one that meets your need and your budget. You should also consider working with a financial advisor who can help you to choose a policy that is right for you. So in the end, we talk about some major points and about from where we need to buy insurance policies. So today in today's video we talk about long-term care insurance, introductions, about its benefits, about its drawback, about its important points. And I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please share my videos with your friends and families, and tell me that how much you like my videos. You can tell me in my comment box, and I will upload many insurance videos and technical videos also, and I will upload also short videos. So this is my small video, and I hope you like my video. So we will meet in new video inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.